time for another room tour, but it's not a room, it's a suite.
Sweet.
It's a sweet.
Welcome to Sandals Regency La Toc, here in St. Lucia, one of 3 Sandals resorts here in St. Lucia. Now we are here to stay for 4 nights, and we would love for this video to show you our accommodations for those 4 nights. So the suite that we are talking about is a Sunset Bluff, Oceanview, 1 bedroom, Butler suite with balcony, tranquility, soaking tub. But what you want to take away from it is that it is Butler level, that it is a suite or 1 bedroom suite. So we'll show you how the room is divided up here. There is a tranquility soaking tub on the balcony, which we'll show you in just a little bit. And also it is on the Sunset Bluff location of the resort. So we are up. As you can see, ocean's back behind us, down. This is further away from the main area of the resort. So a little just information there, a little background. But enough talk. I think it's time to actually show you the room. So join us along for a brief tour. Alright, over here in the Sunset Bluff section of the resort, we're on the 3rd floor, room 887 specifically for this tour. So of course you'll just come up, tap your room key on the black box there. That will grant you access. And during the era of COVID-19, when you arrive to the room, there'll actually be a seal here to show that it has been cleaned, it is ready for the platinum protocols of cleanliness, and no one has messed with it. There's also a light out here, and a door knocker. Oh, please do not disturb. Well, too late, I kind of already did.
It's okay.
I just gave the knock. Let's head inside. So this is what you see right when you enter the room. The living room area, which heads out to the balcony. You can see that there, more on that in just a bit. And then over there is the entrance into the bedroom and the wet bar here on the right. So let's take a closer look at everything. All right, right when you come in, we have our door, peephole, swing lock, deadbolt lock, and that do not disturb sign. All your regular players, as well as emergency exit information, things that you would expect to normally see in any kind of hotel or resort door area. And then right to the right, we do have some switches. This one, pretty obvious. It's got the little fan blade on there. That is to control the ceiling fan. As you see, it's spinning around there, different speeds. And then we have 2 light switches. The one on the left controls the wall sconce lights over there, and this recessed pot light above the minibar. And the light switch on the right, the reading lights up above these beautiful pictures that we have sitting above our lovely sectional. That thing is huge too, by the way.
And it's comfy. I mean, look. I mean,
that's sizable,
that's
man.
Big.
That is huge.
I mean, you could sleep on this. I won't because we have a bed, but you could.
You could. And so yeah, it's just nice theming here. You got the colored pillows, the beautiful pictures, very nice. And then we do have a floor lamp that's controlled by the switch on the lamp itself, as well as a little end table, almost looks like a little magazine rack or something. And we have this large rug covering most of the living room area with our nice large coffee table. Center stage, do have the lower level. There's a pull-out drawer in the middle. And this nice bowl. I don't know what purpose it serves, but it's a nice color. And then when you come in, you'll not be surprised to find things like this, especially in a club level or a butler room. Bowl of fruit there, your information that you need to know what's going on, welcome letter, dining reservations, things like that. Over here, we do have that aforementioned wet bar area. Now, because this is a butler level room, as you can see, fully stocked. That is what I've been told, top shelf stuff.
And
down below.
But wait, there's more.
There's more. Hey-oh! More alcohol. I don't know, like champagne.
There's champagne.
Wine.
I think this is wine.
There's some beer. That looks like local beer too. It says Patan.
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa.
It has the Patans.
That's really cool.
They have like a Coke Zero. They have.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, it's ginger ale.
All right. I should have seen that earlier.
They have ginger ale. They have fruit juices. This is cran raspberry.
That's the good one.
Guava pineapple. Ooh, I want to try that. Guava pineapple. Orange juice, Sprite, Coke. So waters. They have a lot of stuff here because this is a butler room and club level rooms are like this as well. whatever is available in your room, you can let them know what your preferences are, and they'll restock with only that stuff.
Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, the liquor, that's because it's Butler.
Yes.
The beer and wine you can have in the club level room, as well as the soda water juice. And with a Butler, of course, they'll reach out before you arrive at the resort, usually via email or through the travel agent, to inquire about your preferences for drinks so they can have it stocked and ready to go for you. Now, in addition to that, everyone loves Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. Of course, Sandals Resorts, that's what they're going to have. They do have that here, as well as all the sugar and sweetener and things like that. You have an ice bucket, there's an ice machine down the hall, coffee maker, and a tea kettle, as well as a corkscrew and stirrers and glass, big glass, wine glass, champagne glass.
And a sink.
And a sink. Down below, we have a trash can underneath the sink, as well as some additional storage. There's a couple little cubby shelves that go way back. They're actually pretty large. And nice pull-out drawer here. And up above the bar, we do have a television with a remote here, wall-mounted. This is one of 2 TVs in this room. The other one will be in the bedroom. We're going to talk about the balcony last, but we did want to show there is a full-length mirror here right before you enter the bedroom. And as we prepare to head into the bedroom, did want to show that it does completely shut off here with this nice louvered door. Swing open action, baby. So this is what you see when you enter. Wow. Now, of course, we'll get into everything with a bit of detail here shortly. But this is your first impression. Right when you enter the bedroom, you do have another ceiling fan switch here, and these 2 light switches. The one on the left does the sconce lighting, the wall lighting on either side of the bed. The one on the right does the floor lamp, as long as it's turned on, because I did this switch earlier, it did nothing. Then I went and pulled the chain on the lamp, now it's operating that. As you can see, the second television, I did mention there was 2, and we do have this very large dresser with 4 drawers on either side, so plenty of storage for clothes, things of that nature. You do have a wall socket down here, as you'll notice throughout, like what we would call an American plug, and then also a different kind. I'm not even going to guess what that is. And up on the dresser, we do have some information about the resort, as well as the platinum protocols of cleanliness that I mentioned earlier that Sandals is doing here in the era of COVID-19. Of course, they always keep things nice and clean, but especially during this time. There's the floor lamp I mentioned earlier. It is quite loud, so just be careful if you're going to operate with a chain. And you do that in the middle of the night, someone is not going to be happy. Do have a nice sitting chair here with pillow, and then we turn and we see these beautiful picture windows, and they do actually open. You have a switch here, pops right open. Hello world, good morning to all. But you do have your blackout privacy curtains you can pull completely across, or the thin little day shears. You have your options there. As we turn to the bed, we do see that we have it's not a full-length mirror, but it's kind of a long mirror, and that's on both sides, as well as that wall-mounted light that I mentioned earlier. Outlet, standard, and random one.
It's a UK.
It's a UK.
It's a UK plug.
Ah, you're playing with our multi-outlet.
Isn't this cool?
That is, I think this thing's awesome. So yes, US and UK outlets, as well as a nice iHome alarm clock system here, which does appear to have USB plugs on it. So that's pretty cool, as well as a bunch of other features like Bluetooth and audio and stuff. That's pretty neat. Up above here next to the mirror, we do see the little light switch. This is for the reading light. You can see here, bend and point that, turn it on. There's actually a switch on the light itself, so you can kind of do either one, but that's on both sides of the bed, so each person has theirs. And then the nightstand with 2 pull-out drawers. And of course, this is Sandals, so we have king-size bed. Look, there goes a boat. Now, looking at this side of the bed, a couple of things that are a little bit different here. You will find your in-room dining menu, your pen, because the phone is on this side. And there is an additional light switch. This controls the wall-mounted lights. So that's only on this side. The other side just has the reading light switch. But as I showed you when we first entered, it just continues right on smoothly into the bath area. One thing that does separate the two the closet. Double door. We have a safe. We have an umbrella. We have a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, hangers, robes, laundry bag, and additional pillows and blanket. Lots of hanging space inside. There is a light inside the closet as well. As you can see, it is lit up. That is controlled by this switch here, the one closest to the closet. So that's good because that makes sense. The light switch in the middle actually controls the light above the tub. More on that in just a second. And then the switch all the way to the right controls the vanity light surrounding the mirror. Next to this light switch, you will also find this square, which is the thermostat. Control the AC for the entire room. And that does bring us to that aforementioned vanity area. As you can see, very, very long. Just the one sink, but it is a big sink. Nice sink. Nice slant action going on down there. Plenty of towels down below, hanging rack, even a scale if you want to keep track of your weight while you're on vacation. There's a garbage can. We have a makeup mirror here, not lighted, but there is a mirror. And behind that, additional outlets. Of course, we are here at Sandals, so we're going to have Red Lane Spa amenities, which we can tell you from experience are fantastic. Some more additional glasses in here, soaps, things like that. Tissue, look, this is cool. A little shelf space, nice tile work here, nice backsplash. And then a razor plug-in right there. You have some hand sanitizer and cleaning wipes, of course, COVID-19. You want to keep things safe and clean. Turning away from the vanity, look at this. The tub area.
What?
I really am a fan of how they did this. We have a wood up above on the ceiling here. The nice wood, like tree stump shapes on the wall with the tile. Nice light up above. I mean, that's a large tub. It is not jetted. I know a lot of people ask about that. This is not a jetted tub.
Yeah,
this is a soaking
jetted,
tub.
it's soaking.
On the other side of this little half wall is a bench. So right when you come in from the living room, there's a nice padded bench there. Again, that nice tile work back behind. Now when we look past the tub, we do see a window. What? Now this goes into the toilet and shower area. So that window is actually looking into the shower. As you see, there is a door here that closes off privacy glass so you can't see inside. We do find an additional towel rack right when we enter. Another trash can, the toilet, paper, what else? And some more nice artwork. Got some shelves going on in here. When we turn around, it's a huge walk-in shower. And there's the light up above. You have a rain shower head mounted from the ceiling. Standard shower head mounted to the wall. Nice tiled-in shelf there. And of course, this is nice. You have the water controls here before you even enter, so you don't have to get wet to turn on the shower. And then lots of room in here. You can also look out the window. We have one more thing to show.
Oh my gosh, the best part.
Let's go. Back out in the living room because of course we need to talk about the balcony. Now before we head outside, I wanted to point out that there is an additional light switch over here on this wall, and that does control a light that's out on the balcony. So you can have that on if you want some light at night. During the day, as you can see, plenty of sunshine. You will not need that. It's the same with the windows in the bedroom. You do have the thin little day shears or complete blackout curtains that you can pull across. I mean, look at this. You have 4 nice big panels here because this is dual sliding glass doors. So there is a lock, of course, but you can slide this one open this way and you can slide this one open this way. And now you have this nice big entry exit point out to your balcony with the giant punch bowl tranquility soaking tub. We mentioned that in the name. There it is in all of its glory. Huge, round. There's even a little seat, little shelf seat right there. You have your water coming out. There's a removable wand, spray wand that you can use right there, and a wooden shelf with this nice wooden wall feature point.
Is this just not like the best? I mean, look at that. I can sit here in my tub, my huge tub. You can sit in here too, it's big enough.
Oh yeah.
And we get to look at this.
The beautiful view.
I mean, come on. This is just like crazy good.
But if the tub's not your flavor, they do have a nice table and chairs out here, as well as a drying rack, which comes in real handy. I mean, this is great. And I know what you're probably thinking, ooh, I like to use the tub, but what if someone's out there? What if they can see me? Well, the good news is you're kind of up, so chances are people really won't see you. But even still, look at this. Just pull these curtains right across.
Yeah.
From either side there. They do tie off. You can keep them back just to not obstruct your view. But if you want to sit out here on the balcony, listen to the ocean, listen to the birds, but have that blocked off view and have your privacy, that's an option for you as well. You can see it's nice glass panels. You come out, and this is the view. Look down. There's some other rooms there, but nice landscaping, as you'll see with any Sandals or Beaches resort. Lovely lampposts there, old style, nice walking path, lots and lots of flowers. There's a cat. There's a cat right there. So always look for those Sandals cats. You never know when you're going to see them. And you just listen to the birds. You hear them tweeting away. And look, this is Sunset Bluff. The sun is setting right now. You're going to have that straight on view of the sunset. You're going to see those boats sailing by. And you're even going to be able to look at the water crashing in on the rocks and the cliffs, which is just a lovely sight. And even if you kind of lean out and peek around, look at that. That's the pool area. You can see the red roof on top of the tower. That's the swim-up bar. We remember Sandals and Beaches towers at the pool indicate swim-up bar typically. So just a lovely, lovely setting. So there you have it. That is the complete tour of the Sunset Bluff 1-bedroom Butler Suite Ocean View with Tranquility soaking tub. So I hope you've enjoyed this room tour. Hopefully it gives you a great idea of what this room is all about and what the rooms here at Sandals Regency La Toc are all about. This is not the only one that is this nice. They have, believe it or not, things that are even bigger and better than this. But I think this is a fantastic room. This is a fantastic option. You want to come to Sandals Regency La Toc, or you want to come to Halcyon Beach or Grand St. Lucia, the other 2 locations here in St. Lucia, or you want to go to any of the other Sandals locations all around the Caribbean, we can help make that happen for you. As travel agents, our services are always complimentary to our clients, and we love to help with booking those vacations in any way we can. So please feel free to reach out via that travel agent information you can find in the description of this video. We're going to sign off. We'll see you next time.
Happy travels!